Okay.
All right, I'm going to try and show you how to build a coil for the Kanger Subtank Mini. It's very easy. I don't buy coils anymore. You're going to need some 26 gauge kanthal, about this length. He'll do it. I like to use this machine screw, number 6, 32 by 1.5. This is great. It'll make you a great spaced coil. So we've got this base open. I'm going to take off the old coil. Oh, unscrew, unscrew, unscrew. That will just come right out. That goes in the trash. I don't have to show that. Okay, so now to make my new coil, I'm just going to wrap it around the threads of the screw here. I'm going to do 5 wraps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Bam, I have one beautiful coil. That was easy. We're going to put it in here. Easy peasy Japanesey. It goes right underneath these things. Doink. Okay, I'll tighten up one side. Excuse me. You're so going to hear your breathing. And now, put it down there, and I will tighten up the other side. Doink. There you go. And I'll push it down just a little bit. Then I'll unscrew this out. Look at that, beautiful. Snip off the extra wires, use a nail cutters, as close as you possibly can. Click. Clip. Okay, it's in there. Test fire. Look at that, glows great. This is 0.7 ohms. So I like to hit these around 4.2 volts. So it's about 27.7 watts, 4.4 volts. Okay, so now what we're going to do is take your Japanese cotton. I've already cut this up. Just twist one end, put it through here. By the way, you can, oh, it's too hot. You can also do this with 24 gauge. About 5 wraps of 24 gauge will get you about 0.45 ohms. And it fits on that screw, and it fits very easily in there as well. Okay, so I'll put that cotton in there, twist it in. Should move freely, snug but not too snug. All right, then we're going to take the other part of the base, put the cotton up, put this over it, screw on. Okay, and then we're going to cut the cotton just a little bit past the edge here. Like that, and on the other side. There we go. Then I will take a regular screwdriver or whatever you have and shove it down so it's just blocking the holes. Hopefully you have the new style thing with the holes on the side. So you're just going to shove the cotton down there until it blocks the holes. You don't have to get that. Okay, so it's in there. It's blocking the holes. Now we're going to put some juice on it. Just wet it up a little bit. Doink, doink. It's important to say doink when you do this. Doink, doink, doink. Okay. Okay. Fire it a couple times, just so when you take your first hit, it doesn't taste like cotton. All right, now we'll close this up. Bam, that is done. Put some juice in here. You don't have to do this on your mod. I just like to. It kind of works as a stand. If you do it on your mod, just be careful not to fire it while you're building. Okay, so now we'll close this up. We got it. Now to prime it a little bit, I'm going to put my finger over here and I'm going to suck on it. I'll get some juice going in there. It's that easy. You never have to buy a coil again. Thanks. Good luck.